Our minds often fixate on what we lack rather than what we desire. However, visualization offers a powerful method to train and expand our minds, making space for the realization of our deepest aspirations. Joseph Murphy, author of the best-selling self-help book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, explains that the beliefs, thoughts, and opinions we impress upon our subconscious mind manifest in our experiences. So how can we harness the power of our subconscious mind to work in our favor? How does visualization help us overcome negative thoughts? In today's discussion, we will delve into these questions, drawing insights from Murphy's teachings. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video to join our YouTube family. Now let's dive in. Michelangelo, perhaps the greatest sculptor in history, once said, "I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free." Through his mental imagery, he visualized David within the marble, allowing his subconscious mind to birth a genius creation. Similarly, when we visualize our desires, we immerse ourselves in the state of already having them. This activates our minds to work on our behalf. This is why visualization of your desires is crucial. Let's consider an example to better understand how visualizations help us live in the state of having our desires. Imagine a woman living in the city who envisions herself starting a new life and writing a novel in a small village outside the city. She visualizes sitting at a wooden desk, savoring a cup of hot coffee, and penning the final pages of her book. In her mind's eye, she feels the warmth of the sun streaming through a large picture window and hears the gentle call of a morning dove. She can even see the serene lake with its cool water from her home's window, envisioning a kayaking adventure later in the day. During this visualization, she experiences fulfillment, contentment, and inner peace, not only in her imagination, but also in reality. When she repeatedly visualizes this scene, her subconscious mind begins to perceive it as real. The same feelings and emotions arise as if it were actually happening. The repetition of this scene impresses upon her subconscious mind, leading to the availability of resources that align with her imagined scenario. Circumstances automatically unfold in favor of her envisioned goal. For instance, she might receive a surprise phone call from an old friend who recently moved to that village, inviting her to join. The fact is, our subconscious mind cannot differentiate between reality and imagination. If we imagine something, it will evoke the same emotions and feelings as if it were real. According to Joseph Murphy, our brain comprises two parts: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind generates emotions, feelings, attitudes, behaviors, decisions, and actions in our daily lives. However, the subconscious mind, lying beneath the conscious mind, cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. It simply receives directions from the conscious mind in the form of thoughts and treats them as real, without argument. Therefore, when we play out a scene in our conscious mind, the subconscious mind accepts it as real, generating corresponding emotions and feelings. Our mind naturally supports our beliefs, reinforcing and leading us toward circumstances aligned with them. We tend to notice and attract things that are important to us, or that we frequently think about. For example, if you speak English but move to a country where nobody else does, you'll naturally gravitate toward situations and circumstances that match your beliefs. Whatever you consistently imagine and deeply feel, circumstances will manifest in your reality, regardless of its nature. Our inclination is to surround ourselves with people who share our thoughts, fashion choices, and communication styles. Similarly, what we think and believe most often becomes our reality. Whatever scenes we imagine hold the potential. Whatever scenes we imagine hold the potential to become our reality. By consistently visualizing our desires, we impress upon our subconscious mind the belief that these desires are already fulfilled. This shifts our focus and energy towards attracting opportunities and resources that align with our visualizations. To effectively utilize visualization, it's important to engage all our senses and emotions during the process. When we visualize our desired outcomes, we should imagine how they look, feel, sound, taste, and even smell. The more vivid and detailed the visualization, the more impactful it becomes. By immersing ourselves in the sensory experience of our desires, We activate the subconscious mind on a deeper level. However, visualization alone is not enough. It must be coupled with belief and expectancy. Our beliefs act as the foundation upon which visualization can manifest in reality. If we hold on to limiting beliefs or doubts about our desires, it creates resistance and hinders the manifestation process. Therefore, it's essential to cultivate a strong belief in the possibility of our desires coming to fruition. Joseph Murphy emphasizes the importance of combining visualization with faith. He explains that faith acts as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind, allowing the subconscious to accept our visualizations as true. By holding unwavering faith in the realization of our desires, we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with that belief, paving the way for their manifestation. Consistency is also key in the practice of visualization. Murphy suggests incorporating regular visualization sessions into our daily routine. By consistently revisiting our visualizations, we strengthen the imprint on our subconscious mind and reinforce our belief in their attainment. This practice helps us maintain focus, clarity, and positive expectancy, which in turn attracts the necessary opportunities and synchronicities. It's worth noting that visualization is not a magical solution that guarantees instant results. It is a powerful tool that aligns our consciousness and energy with our desires, but it still requires action and effort on our part. Visualizations can inspire and guide us towards taking the necessary steps and making the right choices that move us closer to our goals. In conclusion, visualization is a potent technique for harnessing the power of our subconscious mind. By vividly imagining our desires and aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with their fulfillment, we activate a powerful force within us. Through consistent practice, faith, and inspired action, we can manifest our deepest aspirations into reality. Remember, the power to create the life we desire lies within us, and visualization is a remarkable tool to unlock that potential. Thank you for your question, and I hope this discussion has provided valuable insights into the practice of visualization. If you have any more queries, feel free to ask.